Hi, I'm Lisa Huck. My practice is called Thrive Fitness, Nutrition, Lifestyle, and movement is a miracle, and I want to share that with you today. We're going to do another core exercise for the front part of your core, for your belly, but it also benefits your hamstrings, which will help your lower back release and decompress your back. You lay on your back, and we're going to start out with a basic lying extension, leg extension. As you go, you're going to go ahead and extend your legs longer and straighter at the knees. Pull the toes down, drive the heels up. That's the basic. Now, if you want to make it harder, what we're going to do is we're going to push out with one leg as you go up with the other. Out, and what I'm trying to do as I go is I'm trying to lock my knee, and I'm trying to push my heels as far from each other as I can. This is a lot of belly. Now, a little bit of a twist on it is to take it diagonal. Take it diagonal to the side. Still drive with your heels, pull with your toes, and then the other diagonal. That's super great for the belly. And if you're interested, you can take it to the next level by going to my website, Thrive Fitness, Nutrition, Lifestyle, where you'll find some amazing movement series that we've created just for you. Thank you.